Hi, I'm Angie McCarthy, and I graduated from Washington College of Law. And in welcoming you to our community, I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you one of the things we are most proud of, and that is that we have founding mothers rather than founding fathers. Our founders, Alan Spencer Mussey and Emma Gillette, founded WCL in 1898. They broke down barriers and advocated for the rights of women. Alan Spencer Mussey championed legislation called the Mussey Act, establishing a married woman's right to own property in her own name after marriage and granting mothers the same rights as fathers in custody disputes. Gillette was also one of the leaders of the National Women's Party, and both founders participated in the women's suffrage movement. In 1917, they founded the still thriving Women's Bar Association of the District of Columbia. The WBA elected Mussey as their first president, and many of their initial meetings were actually held at the Washington College of Law. It's no coincidence that with this founding, WCL graduates have also made history. Alice Paul actually graduated from our law school in 1922, and she was a pioneer of the women's movement who authored the original Equal Rights Amendment while she was still a WCL law student. Mary Louise Bottineau Baldwin, who graduated in 1914, was the first Native American woman graduate of WCL, and she was appointed to the Bureau of Indian Affairs by President Teddy Roosevelt. Catherine Sellers, who graduated in 1913, was the first woman to be appointed to the bench under federal authority, and Pearl McCall, who graduated in 1918, was the first woman assistant U.S. attorney for the District of Columbia. If you fast forward more than 100 years, and the Washington College of Law is still a center for feminist legal scholarship, teaching, and activism. The law school houses a Women in the Law program whose mission is to transform the training of lawyers so that our students leave with an awareness of their power and obligation to remove the legal barriers to women's full participation in society.